The cage. Ah. Gara dito. May mga ganyan, no? Hello, what's that?
How do they do this? What is the chair doing?
Suerte ngayon. Wait. Okay. Oh. Kid first. Up, up. Yung cellphone ko, pang mag-vlog. Huwag kang...
Oh, bakit?
Ah.
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Ah.
this is so cool.
Dito tayo sa gitna.
What is that? Oh, the monkey sing. Sam, be careful. Bad ka na?
Hindi pa, mamaya dito sa dala. Hello, Cup. Body Cup.
When you do like this, cause the fish like this.
The fish can look at you.
Oh! Oh, scared.
The fish hide already. No. Come here. Let's walk here. You can walk here.
Camera down, cause we can see the fish.
There, there. So we can walk slowly.
Okay.
Maybe you fall, huh? Slowly. You know,
Where?
you know, you know, you know.
Where fish? Where fish?
Suck, suck.
Look, we're gonna
Wait.
fall.
Suck, walk there, walk there, walk there.
What is that? Which one?
Walk straight there. We're gonna go to the crabs. Dali, come here.
Where's the crab? Oh, look at that fish! Wow, what is cool fish? What a cool fish!
Come here, come here.
Where's the crab? The punda dinaro. Wow, a cute tiny fish out.
Meron pa doon sa likod, tara din sa likod.
Where's the crab? Where's the crab?
Doon tayo doon sa kabila.
Where's the crab then? Tell me, where's the crab?
We go there, on the other side.
You gotta be careful. I'm gonna jump.
Go, ha?
คิดพอบอเมื่อที่ไอ้ายยังจากน้องไป
Tiny fish again. Tiny fish. And not there.
Ano, crab?
Wow! What a giant crab! Yo! 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 Wait, Dad, can I hold it?
It's a turtle, actually. No, I'm just kidding.
Dad, I want to look for the turtle.
No, there's no turtle here. We need to go see Milan. Come here.
Oh, the crab.
You know, the Look at the shrimp. Yeah, be careful. Ano?
Yo, the shrimp is swimming all around, dude. Dip your camera, and then you bite, and then there's no way. Oh, and push it under. Yeah, look at his feet.
They follow.
Wait, wait, wait. Another fish! Look! Another fish! What's this? It's a fish!
Neto, malalaki oh. Tilapia ata to. Mukhang tilapia.
Why is like this? Why?
Okay. It's normal.
What's moving like that? Like that? Whoa! Whoa, dip it, dip it, dip it!
I don't want to leave. They will go crazy.
I know that I see it already mentioned. How about over there?
Mira, don't go.
Walk, walk, walk.
Wala yung mismong lobster. Ayan mismo. Ay, Diyos ko, nalilito pa lang. Hinahanap ko. Hawakan mo. Mira, this is the lobster. Look, come here.
Hey!
El Yummy. Uncle Dwight eat the lobster here before.
Hello, you wanna say hello to me? Say hello, guy. Bye. Bye, buddy. See you next week. I don't want you anymore. Wait! Look! It's swimming there.
Ah, lobster din oh. Yun oh. Down. Nasa baba, sa ilalim. Let's go. Let's Yan oh, lobster. Pinaghiwalay siguro nila sa size, malaki nandoon sa loob. Let's go here. Picture na kayo dito, pipicture lang ko kayo. Sit here, sit. Sit.
Ako sa phone.
Upo kayo dito oh. Para meron tayong
I'm gonna check more then.
later meet. Sit first here. Come here, please.
Sak, Mira! Mira!
Mira.
Mira!
Para see the big fish again!
Mira!
Two. Touching.
Halaan mo siya. May palay ka, may palay. Dito ka. Nadaan ka. Oh. Look at the camera. On. Picture ako kayo. Then I'll take a photo. Go eat.
Let's see water. Hey.
Let's go eat. Lord, thank you for the food. Bless this food. In His name. Amen. Where's my fish friend?
Yeah, right there, right there. Go put it down in the water. Put it down in the water.
She already gone down. Sak, be careful, huh? You want to go to near the toilet?
Hey! Something attacked the fish. Oh, what's that?
Also the same but smaller.
But it attacked the
The blue.
That's so very
Laki
bad.
talaga eh.
What
Pare, pakita ka dito. Pwede kitong i-dip kaso madumi. Nilinis pa. Let's walk here. Let's
Go
walk.
over there, guys, over there.
Walk.
Careful. 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 Whoa, whoa! You can jump.
Parang triangle na fish.
Look at it. Come here, I see some strange fish right here.
Strange.
Yeah.
Wala na, nasa ilalim
Here.
na.
From here, everywhere. It's over here. Then I see. Now let's go that way. No, I'm not cheating you. Stop cheating me. I'm not cheating you.
Wala na nga. Pumunta sa ilalim at pakita lang kay Mira.
Where? Oh no, no. Try and go.
Ito sa ko have, look here, have mini fish also.
No, follow us.
You know?
Look there, okay?
You know.
Wow, what a strange fish. Where? Where? Strange. So strange. Where's the octopus?
Boneka oh.
Where?
Ang balabu.
How about we swim? Then let's go to the next one there to check the crab.
Come here, come here.
Where are you going? This looks like a Christmas table.
Yan, yan, yan. Ano number natin? Number 15. Pwede na natin itanong yung bill.
Wanna go walk to the next one. Hey, Dad. That one, when we are top, you go here or no, Dad?
Uncle Dwight go here before.
คำที่เธอนั้นย้ำเตือนฉันอยู่เสมอ
You never see tiny crab here. Yo, I want to see tiny crab.
โลกกว้างจากหัวใจ
Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa. Oh,
That one
he's
was
so
the-
fast. Oh, no. He's a complete man.
You want to stay here, you gonna sleep there.
Oh,
Cannot see. Pumunta sa ilalim kan. Ay, ito pala oh, yan. Si Tropa. You know, suck the red shrimp.
Daddy, dip the camera,
I don't like to dip.
So expensive, $1,000. Wow, look at the crab. Do it for crab. You wanna attack me, right? Go to school. And
They like to eat. They like to eat some kid.
You can eat someone else.
Joke,
They can
joke.
eat someone else.
How about over there?
Lahat, tingnan natin toilet. Banda dito na. I'll go to the toilet.
Tiny fish.
Be careful.
Wait, look at this guy. How about
We are here in the middle of the sea. The best floating restaurant in Phuket, Thailand. Here. Toilet is here. Ne. Ito medyo special yung toilet. A bit special because the toilet is slanted. The second one. Slant, nakaslant oh. Yun lang.
Does that look like this? Hey, there's a hole. Come. There's a hole right here.
All
There's a hole.
whole.
Look.
Say whole.
Holy.
Pagka kasi nag-toilet tour na isa ka pala.
Toilet. Oh, dito isang ano muna tayo dito sa may tabi ng dagat, isang harap.
But where's the last?
Mira, how from 1 to 10, how much will you rate your experience 1 to 10 out of 10?
Sa kami na it's too hot.
Let's do it, let's go.
I want to go now.
Let's go to the Robinson. Doon tayo na. Tanong natin kung para
To wait for our boat.
number 15, number 10, number 16. It's first. Go. Oh. Dali. Maganda solo natin yung bangka. O, kayo muna. Yan, diyan kayo pwede mo. Yan, you sit there. Yeah, you sit there. It's okay. Sit in the blue. You sit there. Sit here.
I like this way. This is our bed.
Ah,
Sir, come here ha.
This is our bed.
Bakit nasira rin yung company?
okay lang yan. Tagal na yun.
Kaya nasira.
Tagal na yan.
Say
Bye.
bye-bye.
Yeah.
We're leaving for the pool. I was going to play other.
Mira, sit. Sit.
Mira,
Sit.
sit here. Ano ba? Dami mong ginagawa eh.
Oh, yung ano?
Ito pa naman
I
si
want
Bulak.
their side.
Oh, dami lang.
It's okay, stay there.
One.
Loading.
Go, you know like this.
Nakakatalpang makina.
Bigat kasi si Mira dito. Sakto,
Hindi.
stand up dyan ha. Lang please.
I want to sit inside. It's better, Mom. Can I sit inside?
Si Mira, hindi mo maintindihan.
Yan, tapos.
Why? It's so...
Sakit your turtle fall, ha?
Iiyak ka. Dak, iiyak ka. Pag nagpunta ng dagat.
Mira, don't, ano ba? Sit where you want to sit now. You want to sit here or there?
You want here with mom?
Okay.
Mom, look at turtle.
Yeah.
You can lay down like
Lay down. Lay down. Wait. Ito mo pala yung Yeah. So, you want to lay down? Lay down. Ayaw niya.
Zach, hawak mo nga sa sakbutan mong tumatay yun.
Please go. Bird.
Zach, Zach. Scared them, scared.
Ano? Arigato na.
No more saliva to the fish.
Malaki din po dito ng mga to. Isang daan.
Bye.
Sit.
Mami!
Dito ka sa kabila. Sumagat ka. Boy!
Because there's another.
Like this, like that.
Are you happy with the experience?
Mira, wait. Saan ka pa sa?
How many out of 10?
Dad!
Say, until our next adventure, say bye-bye.
And to our next adventure.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. guys.
Basta ko muna.
Ha? Ha?